Hello and welcome back into my channel. So today in this video we are going to unbox a big bag. So this is a product from Amazon. This is a EW2880U 28-inch 4K IPS PT HDRi premium monitor, and this product will cost you nearly 30,000 rupees. This is an entertainment excellence and it contains the display options, your audio preferences, then take off the next multimedia adventures. So this is a very much useful product for you. So it includes the HDR, which is very much nice for your cinema experiences, and it has also the cinema HDR option. This is another option which is very much useful for the viewers or entertainment. So it is a true sound by Trivolo and 4K Ultra HD. So you can turn on or off HDR option. It includes a remote where you can control the display options. There are various options, or there are color options, or there you can adjust this. You can also adjust the heights and all, and it includes the C type cable and the HDMI cable. You can use as a C type or HDMI, and one power cable is there. Smallest socket is not going to work for you. If you have the largest socket, this will going to work with this product. So this is a very stable stand present with this. I'm going to fix this all. USB-C is very much useful to connect with MacBook or any other laptop. So, and it includes the amazing sound experience. The sound is by two sound by Trivolo. So this is a IPS panel and LED backlight. Backlight technology is LED backlight, and resolution is 3840x2160. This is a 4K display, and brightness is 300 nits. Viewing angle is 178. This is a flat display. The color gamut is 90% PT, and various color modes are present, especially for color weakness, e-paper, game, low light blue, low blue light MacBook, RAC 709 standard user mode. All options are present here, and this is a 16:9 aspect ratio display, and 1.07 billion colors are present, and PPI is 150. So this is a flicker free display, brightness intelligent plus, BI plus, and low blue light and color weakness, yes, and e-paper mode, eye reminder. All the options are present with this, and for gaming experiences it is a free sign. So I'm connecting with my MacBook and testing few of the videos and paper view, especially for researcher and students. It is very good for your eye health. You can read the papers very well, and in paper mode also you can use for reading the papers. And that's all for our today's video. I'll put all the information link in my video description. You can go through it. So that's all. Thanks for watching.